Hello student, welcome back to my YouTube channel Bridge Course Day 33rd. I am Shinde DH from Madhyamik Vidyalaya Varje, Pune. Today we will learn unit circle and subunit various part of the circle. Student, you will observe this video, then you will understand various part of the circle. Important point: circle and part of the circle. Definition of circle: the set of points in a plane that are equidistant from the fixed point is a circle. In this figure, O is the fixed point in a plane and the point which are equidistant from this fixed point O is a circle. Center of circle: the fixed point in the plane from which all the points on the circles are equidistant is called center of circle. Therefore, in this figure, this fixed point O is center of circle. Radius: the distance between the center of circle and any one point on the circle is called radius of the circle. Let O is the center of circle and A is any point on the circle. Therefore, distance between the point O and A is called radius of circle. Or a segment joining the center of circle and any one point of the circle is also called radius of circle. Here in this figure, O is the center of circle and A is the any one point of circle. Segment OA joins center of circle O and any one point of the circle A is called radius of circle. Chord: a line segment joining any 2 points on the circle is called as the chord of circle. In this figure, B and C are any 2 points of the circle. The segment BC join this any 2 points of circles. Therefore, segment BC is chord of circle. Diameter: the chord which is passing through the center of circle is called as a diameter. In this figure, O is the center of circle and chord AB which is passing through the center of circle. Therefore, chord AB is the diameter of circle. Among all the chord of a given circle, diameter is the longest chord. Also, longest chord of the circle is the diameter. In this figure, OA is the radius of circle. Also, OB is the radius of circle. Therefore, diameter AB is nothing but R plus R. That means 2R means diameter of circle is twice the radius. In this figure, O is the center of circle. This segment OD joins the center of circle and any point D on the circle. Therefore, OD is radius of circle. Here, this segment join any 2 point P and Q of the circle is called chord of circle. Therefore, here PQ is a chord and segment AB is the chord which is passing through the center. Therefore, segment AB is diameter of circle. Important formulae: diameter is nothing but twice the radius. Therefore, diameter is equal to 2 into radius. We have to find out here value of radius. Therefore, if you transfer these two to RHS, multiply becomes as divide. Therefore, we will get radius is equal to diameter upon 2. Circumference is equal to 2 pi r or pi into d. Area of circle is equal to pi r square. Here pi is an irrational number and approximate value of the pi is taken as 22 upon 7 or 3.14. Circle in a plane. Congruent circle. Circle with the equal radii are called as congruent circle. In this figure, these two circles have equal radii. If these two circles are coincide each other, then we say that these two circles are congruent each other. Here red circle is coincide with the blue circle, that is their radius is congruent to each other. Therefore, the circle with equal radii are called as congruent circle. Concentric circle. Circle with the common center are called as a concentric circle. In this figure, these circles has a common center. Therefore, such type of circles are called concentric circle. Touching circles. If two circles in a same plane intersect with each other in only one point, then they are said to be touching circles. In this figure, these two circles touches externally, and in this figure, these two circles touches internally. Point common to the circle is called a point of contact. Here, this point A is common for these two circles, therefore point A is called as point of contact. Here point B is common for these two circles. The point A and point B are called point of contact. Exercise. Choose the correct option for the following question. Which of the following formula is used to find area of circle? This option is given. Can you tell me which is the formula of area of circle? Here option B is correct. This is the formula of area of circle. What is the length of longest chord of a circle with radius 2.7 centimeter? We know that longest chord of the circle is nothing but diameter. Therefore, diameter is nothing but 2 into radius. Here radius is given 2 into how much? 2.7. Take this multiplication. 7 2s are 14, 1 is remaining. 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 1 is 5. That means how much? Diameter is equal to 5.4 centimeter. Therefore, which option is correct here? Option D is correct. In a circle with center O and radius 3.5 centimeter, length OA is equal to 3.7 centimeter, then the point A will lies on the circle, inside the circle, outside of the circle, and on the center. Radius of circle is given 3.5 centimeter and distance of the point A from the center is given 3.7 centimeter. In this distance, 3.7 centimeter is greater than 3.5 centimeter. That means distance of the point is greater than radius. Therefore, this point lies in the exterior of the circle. That means outside of the circle. Therefore, here which option is correct? Option C is correct. Question number 2. Solve the following sub questions. Radius of a circle is 8 centimeter in the length. Then find the length of the longest chord. Here radius of the circle is given 8 centimeter. We have to find out here length of longest chord. We know that the longest chord of the circle is diameter. Therefore, we know that diameter is the longest chord of the circle. And radius of circle is given. Then what is the relation between diameter and radius of circle? We know that diameter is equal to twice the radius. Substitute the value of radius here. 2 into 8. 8 2s are how much? 16 centimeter. Therefore, length of the longest chord is 16 centimeter. Radius of circular garden is 70 meter. Find its area. Radius of circular garden is given 70 meter. That means radius of circle is given 70 meter. To find its area, we know that area of circle is equal to pi r square. We know that value of the pi is 22 upon 7 into radius is given how much? 70, its square. Square is nothing but multiplication of 70 two times. That means 22 upon 7 into 70 into 70. Now we simplify this. 7 ones are 7, 7 tens are 70. Now we have to take multiplication. 22 sevens are 7 twos are 14. 1 is remaining. 7 twos are 14 plus 1 is nothing but how much? 154. So we write here 154. Now these two zeros are remaining. Therefore we will get here 15,400. Therefore area of circular garden is 15,400 square meter. A circular wire with the radius 14 centimeter is cut and made straight. Then what will be its length? Here radius of circle is given 14 centimeter. The length of wire is nothing but circumference of circle. Therefore, length of wire is equal to circumference of circle. We know that circumference of circle is equal to, which is the formula? 2 pi r, because radius is given. Now substitute the value here. 2 into value of pi is 22 upon 7 into radius is given 14. Dividing by 7, we will get 7 1s are 7, 7 2s are 14. Therefore, which is remaining here? 2 into 22 into 2. 22 2s are 44 into 2. We will get 88. Therefore, if you simplify this, we will get 88 centimeter. Therefore, length of wire is 88 centimeter. If you like this video, then subscribe my channel. Also share this video. Thank you.